Alright guys, so the GoPro is a no-go. Went to Best Buy, traded out one, but for some reason they just keep freezing. I don't know if it's something to do with the session or what, but yeah, was gonna try to make a video on me removing the body molding and everything off of my truck, but it decided to delete the footage and freeze up again. So the GoPro number 2 is doing the same thing as the first one, so it looks like I won't be buying any more GoPro products, because first one I was like, alright, well, maybe it's just the GoPro. Second one, it is doing the same thing as the first, so I don't know if it's a bad batch of GoPros or what, but it probably gonna be the last one I ever use, so it is what it is. But I pretty much got this side done. This is the driver's side. I got all the dirt marks and stuff pretty much sanded down. I gotta hit this right here and right there. This is what it looked like before, like a dirt mark all the way around where all the body molding and stuff was. So it doesn't look good once you take it off, because you have pollen and stuff. And but I got the passenger door and the passenger front fender already done, but you got to do the back door and the back fender on both sides. So I'm going to do a little time lapse of me wet sanding it and getting it done. I'm going to polish it too, so I'm going to do all that. Alright guys, so we'll see how it turned out in the morning. Hopefully it turned out pretty good. First time ever wet sanding anything, so we'll see. Almost hit my head on my mirror because tow mirrors. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. First time for everything, so if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. It's getting dark out, as you can tell. It looks pretty I don't know, you can hear the bugs screaming at me. Turn out the light. But yeah, we'll see how it goes in the morning. I'm gonna be out over in Biloxi this weekend at Cruising the Coast. If you don't know what it is, it's a pretty big car show. All the way down, I think it's like whatever road is like right next to the beach. I can't remember exactly what the road's called, but it's gonna be pretty interesting. Me and one of my buddies are going in his I'm taking my Silverado and he's taking his F-250 on 40, so we'll get some rolling shots of both of them. Of course, we got to go through the Mobile Bay Tunnel, So we're gonna make some loud noises. So it'll be pretty fun. It's only, I think, about a 2-hour drive from where I live, so it's not gonna be too bad. So, yep, gonna end the video here. Guess I'm gonna turn on my mall crawling lights. Super hard to use a iPhone as a camera since my GoPro decided to die, but whatever. But yeah, and that'll be the next thing to be fixed. There's like a light somewhere up in there that'll kick on and off, so it looks like I have like a strobe light in my back fender well. So that'll be on the to-do list. Probably gonna go with some RGB color changing lights, and I might hook up these white lights to the door lights, so be like a entry style light, and then it'll dim out whenever you shut the door. But that'll be on the to-do list. Also, I'm gonna get some new headlights, because these are the bottom ones are yellow for some reason, and the top ones are heat damage from the HIDs, so gonna be changing those out for some LEDs. But yeah, gonna end the video here. Please like, comment, share, whatever you want to do. Thanks for watching.